Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to set velocity on Capcut. And here I already have one clip and you can see this normal velocity like this. And I'm going to set velocity by click the clip and click the speed, and you can select the normal or curve. For example, in the normal you can swipe to the left for slower or to the right for slowest. Okay, swipe to the right for slowest, like this. Or you can adjust in the curve. There are many templates velocity, for example. Okay, here we go. That's how to set velocity on Capcut. Don't forget to click like, comment, share, and also subscribe. And you can click thanks button for appreciate and as your thanks. Bye bye.